Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will be learning a command using which we can simply list out the DNS lookup information of the entire range of IP addresses. In the previous lecture, we have learned the command using which we can disable reverse DNS resolution service on Nmap, but that command can be useful only when we are using a local network and we don't require the DNS lookup information regarding those IP addresses. Now, suppose our target host is a remote IP address and we are performing black box testing on it. We will have no information regarding that host. So, we have to search or look out for the different subdomains and API services which will be running on different IP addresses. This can be done by DNS lookup information. Using the DNS, we can find out what services are running on those IPs or what domains are exist on those IP addresses. So in this lecture, we will be looking at a command using which we can list out entire range of IP addresses and its DNS lookup information, and we can search for juicy information related to our target host. So for the testing purpose, again I will be using this IP address, and let us suppose this is our target host IP. So I will be opening the terminal, and the command goes like nmap space minus sign small s capital L and the target IP. Now we will not be using this specific IP, but we will be looking for the entire range of IP. So I will be giving here the range of IP that is from 1 to 255. Okay, let us hit the enter. So here is the result, and you can see Nmap has simply list out the DNS lookup information regarding the different IPs. That is, you can see different domains which are associated with these IPs. Okay, there are lots of domains here. So in this way, we can scan for different range of IP address and look for any services which belongs to our host, or we can say target host, and we can have a further information regarding that IP address.